Oh, my Atlanta. I'm reporting that we had an earthquake here in Little Ashburn, Virginia, aka DMV. Now it happened about 2 hours ago. But my punk ass and my cat's punk ass, we ain't know what to do with my cats and exactly what to do. They ran underneath the damn bed. Little little punks. So my dumb ass, I'm on the fourth floor of my apartment. At first I thought I was losing my mind. I was like, maybe the Dunkin' Donut coffee I had was tainted. But no. It was a true blue earthquake. Now I'm from Baltimore. We ain't used to this shit. This is something California bull. They used to it. It's all the way up from down. They said centered in Mineral, Virginia, aka Richmond's area, and then it traveled all the way up to Rhode Island. Well, my sister is cool. Couldn't call my mom and my dad. I didn't like that feeling. I felt like those people in those B movies, what was it Infernal and Earthquake. It was not a good feeling at all. I'm a grown ass woman. I ain't used to that. And then people on the TV from California like, we used to that 5.9. We used to that. You freaks have that shit. I don't want that. But I'm straight. I went to Chick-fil-A, got me a number two and a milkshake. But it was not a good feeling at all. I don't like it at all. So to all my subscribers who are on the same side as me, East Coast, um, we straight. Um, but I know from now on, I'm not gonna be on no full flow no more. Peace.